Good morning all of you. Today I will discuss about profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account is the extension of profit and loss account. Only partners' interests are recorded in it. Credit side only two items are recorded. Net profit. Net profit journal entry will be profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. So if there is any net profit, that will be recorded on credit side. And interest on partners drawing. Interest on partners drawings. These two items are recorded on credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Only these two items. Net profit, but we never write net profit. Net profit transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Entry will be profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. So it will be recorded on credit side. Interest on partners drawing. Journal entry will be drawings account debit or partners capital account debit to interest on drawing. At the end of the year, balance of interest on drawing transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Entry will be interest on partners drawings account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. So only two items are recorded in profit and loss appropriation account credit side. Debit side, interest on partners capital. Interest on partners capital, partners salary, partners salary, partners commission, partners salary, partners commission, partners salary, partners commission, general reserve or reserve. These items are recorded on debit side. Interest on partners capital. Journal entry will be interest on partners capital account debit to partners capital account. At the end of the year, balance of interest on partners capital transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account. Salary payable to partner. Journal entry partner salary account debit to partners capital account. At the end of the year, balance of partner salary transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Journal entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to partner salary account. Commission payable to partner. Entry will be partners commission account debit to partners capital account. At the end of the year, balance of partners commission transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Journal entry profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners commission account. Creation of general ledger. Entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to general ledger or ledger. After that we will see if total, there will be three conditions. Total of both sides will be equal. Total of, after recording this transaction, there will be three conditions. Total of debit is equal to total of credit. Sometimes total of credit is more than total of debit. Sometimes total of debit is more than total of credit. If total of credit is more than total of debit, excess of credit over debit will be divisible profit. If total of credit is more, suppose total of credit side is coming 1 lakh, total of debit side is coming 80,000. So 1 lakh minus 80,000, 20,000 will be divisible profit, and that will be transferred to all partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio, and for that entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners capital account. It will be distributed among partners in their profit sharing ratio. Suppose there are two partners A and B, so divisible profit will be distributed between A and B in their profit sharing ratio. Sometimes total of debit is more. In that case, excess of debit over credit will be loss, and loss will be shared by partners in their profit sharing ratio, and for that journal entry will be partners capital account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. So loss will be shared by partners in their profit sharing ratio. If profit sharing ratio is not given in the question, it means they are equal partner and it will be equally shared by partners. So this is about profit and loss appropriation account. Thank you.